this video, we're going to look at how to deal with outliers or dubious data points. And this can be quite useful if we want to do some kind of a what-if analysis, excluding some of the data points and see the results. So let's look at this data set. For example, we got 10 data points, 7 of which we deemed verified, 3 of them instead are labeled as dubious. Notice that we have put a subset ID, so we specify this information on, we attach a label if we want to our points. And we can analyze our data points, so in this case we're analyzing all the data points on a Weibull form. But we want to now exclude these dubious data points, so we create the same data set with the same labels, but now we use a special button called specify points. And this button recognizes the subset ID, and we can then select only the subset that we want to analyze. So by selecting only the verified data points, automatically we'll exclude the dubious points. And we click OK. We click OK, and now we calculate. So what we have a different result, and we can look also the graph. The graph has changed from the previous one because now it tends to fit only the verified data points. It does not completely exclude the dubious data points, but the regression line fits only the verified data points. And this is different from the third option, which is basically we're going to remove these data points completely, the dubious one, and we're going to be left with a subset of only 7 data points, the verified one. We can look at the graph, and that's the graph of only our 7 data points. And to compare all of the 3 analyses, we can look at the original data, we can look at the original and the verified data. So we can see that the data points still have, we maintain the data points, but we fitted the regression line only for the verified one. And final, we can look at the cutout data only with 7 data points, and that contains only the 7 data points, and that is a completely different type of scenario. So it's no longer a what-if analysis because we've actually modified our data set. So this feature, as I say, can be useful to eliminate or exclude some data points from our analysis, but without altering the actual data sheet. And this is it.